Order fulfillment is a vital component of running a successful retail business. Shopify POS offers integrated shipping solutions by working with shipping suppliers to improve the fulfillment process and decrease manual tasks. Retailers can simplify order processing, automate shipping label production, and improve customer satisfaction by embedding shipping functionalities directly into the point-of-sale system. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS, focusing on how they boost operational efficiency, streamline the fulfillment process, and promote business growth. Order processing simplified. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions streamline the order processing workflow for retailers. Shopify POS, in collaboration with shipping suppliers, enables sellers to generate shipping labels directly from the point-of-sale system. This interface eliminates the need for human data entry and decreases the likelihood of errors occurring during the shipping label production process. Retailers may extract customer shipping information from Shopify orders automatically, assuring precise and consistent data transfer. Additionally, integrated shipping solutions provide retailers with access to a wide range of delivery options and costs. Retailers can instantly compare shipping rates from several carriers within Shopify POS, allowing them to select the most cost-effective and dependable shipping method for each purchase. Creating shipping labels automatically. The integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS streamline the process of creating shipping labels, streamlining the fulfillment process for shops. Retailers can rapidly create shipping labels and move orders from the processing stage to the shipment stage with a few clicks. Retailers save time and reduce human labor by automating shipping label generation. This frees them up to focus on other important activities like inventory management, customer service, and business expansion. Integrated shipping solutions also allow you to print shipping labels directly from Shopify POS. Within the same system, retailers may develop shipping labels, print them on label printers, and attach them to parcels. This eliminates the need for additional label printing software or manual handwriting of shipping information, resulting in increased speed and professionalism in the fulfillment process. Order tracking and notifications in real time. Shopify POS integrated shipping solutions give real-time order tracking and notifications, increasing transparency and customer satisfaction. After generating a shipping label, businesses can instantly update the order status with tracking information. Customers receive email notifications with tracking information, enabling them to track the status of their orders. This real-time order monitoring function keeps customers informed and reduces order status questions, increasing customer happiness and decreasing customer care workload. Order tracking capability within Shopify POS is also available to retailers. They can track the status of dispatched orders, readily access tracking information, and address any potential delivery concerns ahead of time. With this level of visibility, retailers can provide excellent customer support, quickly fix shipping issues, and assure a smooth fulfillment experience. Scalability and integration. Shopify POS integrated shipping solutions smoothly integrate with common shipping providers like UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. Retailers can effortlessly link their Shopify store to their preferred shipping providers, providing consistent and real-time shipping information. Because integrated shipping solutions are scalable, organizations of all sizes can benefit from these features. Retailers may improve their fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and give a uniform shipping experience to their customers, whether they run a tiny online boutique or a large-scale retail operation. Shopify POS integrated shipping solutions enable companies to automate the fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and improve customer happiness. Retailers may improve operational efficiency, save time, and focus on business growth by streamlining order processing, automating shipping label creation, and offering real-time order tracking and notifications. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions, with their seamless integration and scalability, provide retailers with the resources they need to provide a seamless and professional shipping experience, increasing customer loyalty and business success in the competitive retail industry.